this spirit spoon for this one.
A homemaker in the kitchen, pots clinking, cooking up love flavors, never shrinking. She adores her man, feeds him like a king. Her heart in the meals, that's where the magic's been. Her love on the stove, passion in every bite. Culinary queen, her love's cuisine, hearts intertwined in a dish is serene. Cooking up joy, happiness, fresh green, filling their souls, a love supreme.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a mixed berry crumble bar. So, crumble bars. And yeah, it's going to be nice and easy. Simple ingredients. And I'm getting rid of my Betty Crocker boxes of cake mix. I got one left, a chocolate one and a cookie mix, and that's it. Then I'm going to be done with these kinds of desserts, right? So let's start with that. So today I'm going to be using the I'll be using the Rainbow Bit Super Moist cake mix. Okay. Just gonna dump that in the bowl. So it's got the sprinkles, the rainbow sprinkles, which is good because I got a variety of different fruit for this mixture here. Next up, half a cup of quick cooking oats. So I have half a cup here already ready to go. So, and then we want half a cup of butter, softened. So, everything's ready today, guys. I had everything ready. Okay. And then one egg. Let me just make sure there. One egg mix. Where's the egg? I didn't take it out. That's the one thing I didn't take out is the egg. Now I have my oven set at 360. It's supposed to be 350, guys, but I'm gonna put it at 350. I put it at 360 because of my oven. It's a piece of, you know. Then we're gonna mix that in. Wait, was there something else? Butter, egg. Okay, that's it. Just toss it. We gotta make, this is gonna be like the crust for the bottom and the top of this cake. Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit crumbly, but that's okay. As long as I can make somewhat of a dough with it, you know? Not a dough, but a crust. You gotta work it with the butter, so. And you're gonna do half on the bottom and half on the top. Not even half on the top, just like 1/3 on the top, let's say. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is take some of this right now and put it aside. So I'm gonna put some aside for the top, right? Good variety, good amount of it. There we go. And I'm just gonna put a little touch of water in there because it's very dry. Okay. So now I'm gonna work this a little bit better because I want to make like a bottom crust, right, for the bars. Yeah, that's working up. That's working a lot better. See? Okay. Now we're going to put that in there. Just like that. We have the fruit. You could have fresh, you could have frozen. I chose frozen, and I'm choosing the summertime berries. So pineapple chunks, strawberries, peach slices, and dark cherries. Now I got 2 tablespoons of sugar here and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. You want to sprinkle that on there. And we're going to kind of mix it up. Just so, you know. Oh, look at those big pieces of peaches too. I can't take them apart. They're all frozen. But that's okay. It's going to cook in the oven anyways. Just going to mix everything in there really well. We'll put that aside while we do the crust for the cake. Okay. Put that aside. Now we're going to work this. Now we're going to work on this. Where did I put my fork? There it is. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to butter this thing. All right, let's put her back in here. Because I gotta butter it up. Because Natty forgot. So this is not a perfect video, guys. Everybody makes mistakes. So I'm gonna take my butter. Grab myself a napkin or a paper towel. And I'm just gonna, just so it doesn't stick, you know. Kind of find a corner that's not dirty now because I gotta dip it back in there. In the butter. There we go. Make sure that it's not gonna stick everywhere and make a mess, you know. There we go. It's as easy as that. Some people will keep the paper from the butter and use the paper. But usually my butter is frozen when I take it out, so it's never really on the paper. On there. All right, let's do this. Now we're gonna spread this out as much as we can. Oh, I think I picked too big of a pan, but whatever. We're gonna try to make it work. It's gonna be thin, whatever. Yeah, I should have picked a smaller casserole dish. Damn it. Oh well. I'm not using my magic spoon for this, but it's going to be delicious. It's going to be great. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be great. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be great. It's going to be fabulous. Now it's working. Just have to get a feel for it, right? This part here is very thick. So you kind of got to work it on there, but you got to really quickly wet your hands, you know? Just so you can spread the top of it. Hey. I'm non-traditional. I'll just do it my way. I do it the Natty way, okay? And the Natty way works. The Natty way will work. Some people are like, ew, she should have worn gloves. Ew. Whatever. Your grandmas didn't wear gloves back in the day. Real bakers don't wear gloves. Come on. There we go. Good enough. So I'm going to wash my hands. And we'll spread the rest on there. So we have it all spread out. Now I'm going to dump all these fruits on there. Spread it out as best as I can. Yeah, baby. Oh, look at all these freaking peaches. There's so many huge peach. There's big chunks of peaches in here. Big chunks. Shut up. There. Okay, so there's like really big chunks of peaches there. That's fine. It will be delicious. Put some peaches up here. Just kind of want to spread it out. There. There's some corners there that got nothing. Nothing at all. There. Now, as for this, the crumble, I'm going to crumble it on top. It doesn't have to be like the bottom. It has to just be crumbled on top because we want to see that fruit come through all bubbly and everything, you know. Oh, nice, nice. And the fruit's going to work the topping into a crumble. It's going to be delicious. Okay, so this is going in for 40 minutes at 360. All right, I think it's pretty much ready. So let's take that out of the oven. Ooh, that looks good. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and ready. I'm going to let it cool down and we're going to have a piece. Okay, so I have a small piece. I don't want to eat too much because I'm waiting for Jay to get home so I can have some of this with him on the deck. Really good. Look at that. The crumble on top is a little bit crunchy, which is good because that's what I wanted. It's golden brown. This is good with the cake mix. This is definitely good with the cake mix and the oatmeal. I would definitely do this again. Wish I had a little bit of ice cream or whipped cream. It would be perfect, but even just like this is good. So I hope you try it. I hope you like it. That is my cake for this week. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll be back soon with more recipes, so stay tuned for more. Have a great week. Bye for now.